Hi everyone, welcome to How To Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. As you can see in TikTok, there's this voice that's narrating whatever's written on the video. So I'll show you how you can do that feature, how you can use that feature on TikTok. But before we learn to do that, do consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So to get started, we'll open up TikTok here, and then you will click on creating a new video. And here, let's say you can add a sound if you want to, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to do that. So I'll click record a video. So once you do that, once you're done recording, you'll click on this tick, and then there's a text option there. So we'll type out something. Hello everyone, this is How To Guide. And once you do that, you click on done, and now you'll click on this box again, and you can see the option of text to speech at the top right there. So you'll click on text to speech, and that's gonna work. So I hope this video is of help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is very easy. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and don't forget to leave a like on this video if it did help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.